Okay.
All right, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Let me play with my.
Let me clear my throat.
Hang on a second. I have a new speaker. Let's see if that works. Say something now.
Test, 1, 2.
Oh.
Test.
What? Hold on a second. I gotta do it on Discord. Okay, say something now.
That was a pretty good little news move. Did anybody catch that short?
I did.
Me too. I caught it.
Some of it. I was up last night. I had like the cold sweats for some reason.
300 of it. Cold sweats. I think. What are you, like menopause?
I guess. Or they got some kind of bug or something. I don't know.
Well, it is the time of year for it. And this cold, hot crap we're having.
Well, especially here from 80 to 40.
I know that's pretty. That's 20-something degrees right now this morning here.
I think it's like 47.
And they say by the weekend it'll be high 70s. Like, okay.
I think it gets back up to 70 today. 66.
I like the setup. It's a good picture. Cool. I like that monitor, man. Oof, I'd like to get one of those.
Yeah, that's a pimp ass monitor.
How many? So you have like 3 charts going across that?
Huh?
I mean, like you have your full setup across that. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 rows basically across that big curved monitor.
No, I'm doing the monitor on top for the streaming, and then on the bottom I have 6 more.
Oh, okay.
6 more charts, and then on the left side of the monitor I have all my other stuff, like everything else. It's huge.
Yeah. What size is that? The curved?
Big. I don't know.
Big. You don't know?
It's got to be at least what? I mean, from end to end, it's got to be at least 40,
36, 40, 40.
Yeah, 40 inches, something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe
Those are
more.
good. A couple of those, man. That'd be nice.
Yeah, 2 of those and you're done.
Yeah. 2 of those, one on top of the other. You're done.
Yeah, well, I was trying to decide is putting, I wanted to put the streaming part on half of the monitor, but I couldn't figure out how to do that last night, and I was tired. So I've got I was gonna put my regular stuff on the top monitor and the trading stuff down here, down on the curved one, but I still have my little guy here on the side. I don't know why. I just gave up on it. I was like, all right, I got Ninja set up. I'm done.
Well, they reversed all that move from yesterday, didn't they?
Yeah.
So now they take it up here.
No. I think we settle back in familiar territory. If I had just had a little bit more energy this morning, I would have caught more of that dang move on the way down. CL is swinging like nobody's business right now. GC, figure out a way to short that. Figure out a way to get in GC short. Somehow, some way. Keep coming up that funky ass every single day. May I? They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. Something like that. Let's see here. So back to familiar territory. Yeah, sorry, chopping around here. Let's see here. Ooh. Tired. We gonna try to do something with MGC? Or CL? Getting some nice little swings here. These two are a little volatile this morning. Oh, I have lag. Ooh. Are you not talking? Hey, good morning, Red Wine. SOML. I don't even know what that means. Are you here, Paul, but not me? What the hell?
That one's on your end, not mine, because I didn't touch anything.
What?
Yeah. I was just saying, I missed the boat on that NQ. It was a perfect setup. Nice little run back up to the pivot. That'd have been I even said it too, and I didn't take it. Way to go, dummy. GC, no go yet. NQ, CL looking like it's setting up for a long. Right off that. What do you think about CL?
It's volatile. But I like it. And the indices are running right back up.
Yep. Again.
Yeah, CL. Yeah, let's try that. For the short. Yeah, I think that's a good area. But I think we probably try this MGC as well.
Short.
Yeah.
Below that wick, or where below
I
where?
think probably below that wick. Obviously on MGC. Trying to make sense of the CL, but I still think you're probably right. That's still long territory. The entry is just a hard one to figure out. Maybe pass on that one then.
Doesn't look like it's wanting. Yeah, it's still long.
It's still hanging out there. I'm gonna try above this wick. The lower. risk, I guess.
Let's see what happens.
Oh God, no.
Whoa. Okay.
No.
Didn't want that, did we?
Nope. That is. That's still. Wait, hold on a second.
All right, open for business.
Is it
See what
9:30
happens.
already? Oh wow.
Yeah, it's 9:30. See what we get. There's your GC short.
Maybe.
QES gonna go down, looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a ES short, and Q short. There's the CL long. Did you get into that one?
Yeah, I'm in that one. I'm in it. I had an order waiting. I was looking at this GC, but I can't.
It's hard to get in.
Not so. Yeah, I was saying not so
Well,
sold
it
on
filled
that
me.
one.
I put my sell order under the wick. It filled me.
Oh, the GC?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't have. I had a sell wait. I mean, a buy waiting on the CL, but not the GC because it didn't really look. Looks like it'll be all right. Now it's turning back down. So.
Yeah. No, I think I got it. I mean, appropriate stops, right?
Yeah. Let's see what we get here.
Try to get this. CL's doing good. Got a good little CL trade here. Good little CL trade.
Thank you.
Good little
Break
CL
it up.
trade. And we can get back up to, we could get back up to literally R1 easy. So,
Go CL, go. Good trade.
all right. Copy that. Everything's in new places for me. It's hard to get. There we go. Boom. Take that. Nice little CL trade there. Target acquired. Target acquired. Maybe I should have moved my target out and kept the stop trailing. Man. Are you getting feedback? Are you getting feedback?
GC's not selling me on that one. Although those looks like it wants to break.
I got my
Doesn't it?
target off on. I mean, if it keeps going, it goes. I mean, it's gonna take my.
Now let's see. What's the indices doing? Nothing. Chopping, slopping.
I got a target. It's probably gonna close me. Yep. Did you hear me? Are you getting feedback? You're not listening to me. Paul can't hear me now. Ugh. Hello? Paul, check. Nobody can hear me. Hello? Alright, this is annoying. Check.
NQ looks like a fine breakup.
Hello? Hello? Check. Can you hear me? Shit. Oh. Sometimes I hate technology. Most of the time I do. Anybody can hear me? All right, let's try this again. I'm gonna get out of this. Hello, check. Okay, I can hear you now. This looks like Discord is detecting input from your mic. Let's fix that. Looks like Discord is not detecting input from a mic.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, okay. I can hear you now.
What the hell?
Thing's gonna break.
We can't hear you? I don't understand why this is doing this. Before it was like, wow, okay, well let's just give you everything, and then now it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. I don't understand why.
Oh, oof, you got real loud.
I don't. It's like bouncing all over the place. I don't understand why this is doing this like this. I'm assuming it's a Discord thing. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I mean, I can hear you. Yeah, your video stream, your stream ended.
Yeah, I restarted.
Oh, you restarted.
Okay, gosh, I'd like to trade instead of dealing with this bullshit. Okay, all right, let's see. A couple good little winners out of Big Gate.
Yeah.
A couple good little winners. I like those swings on the CL like that when it's swinging. Those are good trades. Pretty easy money when CL's swinging like that. All right, possible short coming up on the ES. Possible short coming up on the NQ. Do I want to do this on the ES or the MES?
Oh, man. Oh, man. I think this NQ's looks like it's wanting to break up. You looking for a short here?
A little bit higher.
Okay, I can get on board with that.
All right, so same as yesterday. If the ES can stay above this level I had yesterday, stay above it, then we got to think longs. Let's call it the pivot. If the ES can stay above the pivot. If the NQ's somewhere around here to the 89, right around 25,000. I mean, Well, what do we always have before? Not 24.90, 24. You had
I
24.97,
mean,
20.
I'm still on 24,940. I mean, above that, I was favoring long, so
Did
I didn't change
24.900.
that. Yeah, I
That's
didn't
close
change
enough.
that. I think I
That's
still
close
like
enough.
it.
Well, if it stays
'Cause I
below
mean,
those two levels, then we still got to be thinking short.
we got to be thinking short. Yeah. I
Um,
don't know. Stick with that. Here comes my.
Boy, I got close to nailing that CL target within, like, I was at
Oh crap!
97.77.
I just gave a bunch of money back. I didn't move my target.
Oh, I thought you saw mine. I had it at
I
97.77.
was, you know what? I was looking at the end because I'm so not used to looking at these other, so
You
so
gotta.
focused on the NQ and the ES. Should I hold it or get out? I'm gonna get out.
I
Should I
think
get
you
out?
just squeeze your stop up and
Just put it under that wick and whatever happens, happens.
yeah, you kind
Move
of
it under.
end up,
Dang,
you're
dang
kind of in a
it.
silly
That was
spot
money
there.
too. Oh, oh
Yeah,
well.
it was only like a $500 trade.
I know. I just gave back half that trade. Oh well. There's nothing I can do about it now. I'm not giving this bag amount. Still made money. Didn't lose any money. I'm okay. I was hyper focused on this NQ going up. I wanted that trade down below. I traded the one out earlier that I missed. That was the trade. Huge.
Huge.
Huge, I tell you. You know what? I'm going to have to step away for 1 second. Be right back. Bathroom break.
GC became long. Let's see if this short starts to set up somewhere around here. I think I need it a little bit higher. Paul turned out okay on that CL. Now we get a real MGC short coming up here. There's probably a level sitting right there. Right where it paused for a little while this morning. Oh, lucky dog on that CL trade. He's going to end up making out on it. All right, let's see if the short's set up here. ES is trying to set the short up, isn't it? I like it. Like here. I'm going to do it in the micros. Let's see, that low was
All right.
53.75, 53.50. I like this short setup on the target off. There you go. Immediately.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hadn't quite sat down yet. Oh, here comes the NQ also. NQ below the pivot.
Target's off.
NQ below the pivot. Could take it.
I know I missed my
Boom.
chance on that one.
Target's off instantly. Just like your yes. Instant targets.
Well, I did MES. Let's bring my stop down some. Stop needs to be at 52.75. 275. Ooh, maybe I get aggressive on this target. Now I can bring my stop down to, what was this high right here? That the high of that candle is 50.25, so 50.50, 50, 50. D50, stop on the ES. There we go. Boss. I wish I'd gotten that NQ too. I gotta
Yeah.
see what account this
NQ's gonna take me out.
Take me flat. Yeah, that's fine. It's a good trade. Oh, I'm such an idiot.
Let me guess, wrong account.
Wasn't exactly the
You
wrong
did it.
account. It's not the one
Oh,
I
I was
wanted
like-
to do it on. I wanted it on a different account.
Well, speaking of that, I gotta pass that other eval. Yeah, let me switch to that and trade this thing today.
I was still trying to get my new setup wrapped around my head. It takes a few minutes, you know?
Yeah, when you got new charts or new monitors, yeah.
I'm like losing
Got
things. I'm
225.
like, wait, where is this chart at? I gotta find it.
The daily range on the ES. And kiss the pivot.
Got some mineral salt for my water.
Yeah, some Baja Gold.
Yeah, that's exactly what I got.
Yeah, Baja Gold's the best. That's very good stuff.
Yeah, and I'm definitely using it today since I was feeling bad last night.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good routine to do every morning. Water.
All right, good little trade. Those are good little trades. We got 3 good little bangers this morning. 3 good little trades.
Yeah, I'm between that and what I've done this morning plus that new short, I'm pretty green.
Same Z.
But I got more to trade, so I see some stuff. Let's do it.
Whoa. I don't understand how that happened. Let me double check this real quick. How was that? Well, that little reversal there. Get my charts on the right accounts, the accounts I want them on. Try to get an RTY trade today. There's another short setup, but man, I don't know.
It is a short,
I
though.
don't like it. Oh crap! I keep forgetting that I have lag. I need to go. Oh, I'm not hardwired it back in yet. That's probably why I have some lag. I don't have a cable long enough for my new location. I decided to change offices to a different spot in the house,
Oh, you're-
and I don't have I didn't have a internet cable long enough to.
Ethernet long enough for that?
Yeah, I gotta go get one today.
What is this thing gonna do here? What you trying to do?
What you trying to do? I don't know. I think I need to switch my headset too.
Which is, are you using the one we have? The same one?
No, I'm using my Yeti right now.
Oh. This is going down.
For now.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's going to be going back up here in a minute.
Yeah, I was gonna say then it's gonna turn around and go back up.
I want to try to figure out that MGC short, but that's just not going to make. They're just going to make it easy to play that game. You got lucky on your CL trade there, bro.
Yeah, I did.
You got lucky. Let's see here. I mean, everybody knows that Fed rates are going to go unchanged, so I can't imagine that anything's going to like affect. That's going to really affect it. Right?
I don't think so, but I mean, you would think that it's all already been factored in. Everything. I think. I mean, you don't think. It depends on what Powell says. I think Powell talking at 2:30 is going to be a little more volatile than the actual.
Yeah, because he's going to be knocking Trump, and
He'll be saying things to spike the market, but I don't.
he's going to be like, Trump's an asshole. We're like, and then we're all like, we know, but he's our asshole.
That's all right. Yeah, I think fireworks at 2:30, not so much at 2.
Hey, can somebody jump on the YouTube and see if there's feedback on there? Let me see. Yeah, somebody do that, or you. I have.
Here,
I'm showing. I'm showing feedback, and I don't have something in front of me right now. I don't have my other computers over yonder.
Let me find it.
Check. Feedback.
No, I don't. There's no feedback. I'm listening.
No background noise or anything?
No, sounds pretty clean to me.
Okay, that's weird because the mixer's showing background noise for the stream.
Oh yeah, there's feedback on me. You're clean, but I've got feedback.
Oh shit, that's coming through my Yeti then. Try that again.
All right. Test. 1, 2. Mic check. I sound like I'm in a big hall or something, big banquet hall.
I think it's the speaker on this monitor. Turn the volume down a little bit. Scooch my mic away from it. Oh well, we'll figure it out later. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Nope, sure wasn't.
If anything, I'll just grab a headset. Let's see if we can get this. RTY is ugly right now. ES and NQ aren't far behind that. At least NQ's getting some swings here that's somewhat tradable. GC.
Yeah.
I was hoping for a 6E trade early that I could stay in all day. I was hoping it'd swing up. Give me another short out of this. Let's see. Daily 6E. Kind of the bottom of the range, at the top of the bottom of the range. So that's what I was looking for on 6E. Maybe we'll get another push, little push up here. Nice little short there that we can ride out all day long. That'd be cool. I mean, NQ and ES, we just keep sliding this box over. It's not going anywhere. I mean, seriously, this is like, and the thing that kills me about this is like the daily. Like, this is, I know they're big swings, but in the grand scheme of things, we've gone since we've gone since, I mean, you got like these areas that price just has swapped for quite some time. And like trading in the range and breaks down to another range, big range. So we haven't seen like a really directional market since
Yeah.
I think we're gonna.
October.
No, not real. Yeah, it's
Not on a
been
daily
pretty darn
basis.
rangy. Mm-mm.
Since October, we've been like ranging. The good news is we built most of our rules around that time period, so oh man. All right, now it went down to nothing. Slowed down to nothing. We had all the fireworks early.
Yeah, I was gonna say that might have been the poof we got.
This is just like, look at this RTY chart. Still got to think down though, because we're staying below those. Well, not really.
I
Kind of
mean,
stuck in the middle, huh?
we're right in that area. Yeah,
Stuck
this
right in
is
the middle, dude.
kind of no man's land here.
Same as before. I mean, we've been playing this game for 2 weeks now. Trying to find something to take action on here. I really think we should keep our eyes out for this 6E up around pivot, VWAP 89, right around that 720 area.
Okay, 720. All right.
I was doing some looking yesterday. Wait, is there not a VWAP on this one? That's just really far down there. We should probably think about like a true like 89 reversal trade every on the bigger tick charts. It tends to, I mean, it's got a set, like as a set, like watch the 89, even though it's not a level like that we're at, but it tends to happen quite often. Close to 89 reverses, at least for a good trade. It doesn't, not runners a lot of times, but it's a good trade. which is was always in my rule set and kind of I gotta get this thing. I gotta get this thing hardwired today. I think I'll just go do it in the middle of the day before the FOMC.
Go buy a cable.
Yeah.
Too bad you're not here. I got tons of those.
I looked around. I just when I was moving around stuff, I've got one. It's probably
How long does it need it to be?
I got to come from another room, so it's got to be long.
Oh yeah, so you probably have to go buy one of those.
Oh yeah. You got a 50-foot one laying around somewhere?
I do. Actually, I do. I got actually longer one than that. I got like a 150-foot one laying around.
Yeah,
somewhere in the box.
I'm looking at a big long one. Oh man, I'm tired. Get some coffee in me or something.
Yeah. I mean, this is settled into some just chop crap, so.
Maybe it is menopause.
Yeah. You said you're having hot flashes. Like, are you going through
It
menopause?
wasn't hot
What?
flashes. It was the cold sweats. It was like, have you ever
Cold
like had a
sweat?
fever and you in bed and it breaks and you
Oh yeah,
sweat?
yeah. Cold and sweating. Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was like I was waking up freezing and the heat was on. I was sweating my butt off. Like, this is not
45,
cool.
75.
Could be withdrawals.
There you go.
Could be, I don't know. I think I just got some little bug or something that.
Ate some bad fish.
Had country fried chicken last night with some white gravy. I was trying to go get this place I go to always has they have the every like holiday or whatever they have the traditional holiday meal, so and their food's really good. Like really
Trying to
good.
get some
corned beef.
corned beef.
They ran
Yeah.
out like right before I saw somebody eating it. I was like, I'm getting it, and they're like, that was the last one. I was like, you mother. So
I made some maple bourbon chicken last night. It's pretty good.
maple.
Maple bourbon chicken.
Sounds good. All right. Let's see. Do we want to go for it? We don't want to go for a breakout on the downside, do we?
I'm not feeling this. No.
I was sitting here thinking, do we want to even try scaling into a M&Q position?
Short.
Yeah.
I don't even know that I'm all sold on the shorts yet.
That's the point I'm making.
It's like I don't. I mean, this is sit on hands territory. You're getting a break here. I don't know if I
Fixing
want
the
it, but
break.
I can't take it. Look at that bounce. Huh. Glad I didn't hit that short button.
No.
That would have been a massive loser. Instantly. Yeah, this is just.
Why is my phone just all of a sudden started like putting random ass websites in my text messages? As soon as I don't know how to do. I don't know why it's doing that shit. Oh, I gotta.
Should we go do a coffee break here for a few minutes? I just don't want to trade any of this, and I need coffee. I need to make some.
Okay. I need coffee too. I'm
I don't think this is
struggle busing this
anything I
morning.
don't, yeah. I'd rather let this thing break out of this area here and decide what it wants to do anyway. So, I mean,
All right. The only thing I will say is 6C is getting close to the area I want to trade it.
oh, okay. Well, we can wait on that if you want.
I just want that trade. No, I don't. I mean, it takes 6C forever to set up stuff. So
Yeah, let's go make some coffee. I'll be
Yeah.
back. Just 5 minutes. Quick 5 minutes.
Okay,
5 minute coffee break.
find my brake sign. I need to
Good
change
coffee
my
break.
main monitor to this monitor. Lots of new setup to do.
All right. Be right back.
Well, well, well.
Yep. Well. This is just garbage.
Well, we got some movement now, though.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Okay. That push down and then nothing, huh?
Pretty much nothing. Pretty much nothing. Oh, see anything anywhere.
I don't like that I have a standing 1 second lag either.
Wow, that could be your, yeah. Could be your Wi-Fi connection. Heck, if this doesn't change, go get your cable, because
Let me check something here. Hey, we get some good trades early though. I mean, come on. Lulu is short. Nice. Good job. Stretch. Got the ES short. Do we short it again? Sure does look like it, doesn't it? Yes.
I don't know. As soon as I push the sell button, it'll bounce up 20 points.
We got. It's a nice little structure on the ES, and it's ES is hanging down at the low. Well, so is in Q. If we get any lower than this, we've got to kind of press the sell button. You know what I do think though. Now, if we can stay down here, we can start scaling into a short on the M and Q. No thoughts on that?
I'm looking at it. Maybe below 290. I mean 890. Excuse me.
It's got to
It
stay below
would be. Yeah, it's got to. That's what I'm saying. It's got to hold below here. Yeah, we can do it in micros. I can't really take too much risk on right micros. So.
Yeah, stretch. I got. What was I looking at earlier? It was right at 30. It was something like. 33, 34. What was it? I had something about 34. If it can stay below there, I think that was that low at 35. Yeah, 34 is what I had. If it can stay below 34, there we go. So we're pretty close. If it can stay below 34 on the ES, we're selling this. I'll sell it. If it stays below 34, I'll go for on the micros. I'll go for a short. If we get the next swing, I'll trade in the minis. 23 on short. Oh, you're short now? Look at you, big ballin'.
That's a good short.
All right. If Stretch does it, I can do it. I'm tempted to get in there with you, man. I mean, it's
The bounce area on the NQ right here.
micros.
Oh, it's gonna blow right through it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Target off. And we're going for what? 20. You said 21, 23? Okay. There's another winner. Good job. Let me take a screenshot. I won this trade. There we go. Target acquired. Target acquired. All right, that was a $100 micro trade on the NQ and the ES there.
Always nice.
Now I can start thinking minis on the ES here. Staying on micros on the NQ. Good target there, buddy. Great job. Thank you, Stretch. Great job, Stretch. Thank you. Appreciate that. Good call on that one. I like it. Stretch knows what he's doing. All right, let's get a little bit of rally and sell this thing in the minis, huh?
I like that.
15 next. I'd like to see a little rally, but I'm tempted to say, yeah, I'm in this with you. I can't do it in the minis. I can't do breakouts in the minis. I can do another micro. I'll break out here. I could do that. But there it goes.
For the races.
Target's off. Target's off again on the M and Q.
Off to the races.
There we go. Oh, popped up and got me. Still like it. Still like it on the short side there, Stretch. I'm with you there. I think this is a good level I have right here, though. Let's see if it bounces. Hopefully it bounces up a little bit and gives us a little something to do. What do you think, Paul?
Looking for the bounce.
I'm doing it. Let's see. I'm gonna switch back to the M&Q contract on that account, and do this. Should I mean, if it doesn't bounce here, we are getting on down there. We gotta go down to the next level. 66.90 if it doesn't stay up here. And then on the NQ, it's still got a little junk to go through. But, I mean, it's got a good ways. It could get down to, what, 750-ish? So that's not
Yeah.
750-ish?
There's your, well,
I
I'll
think,
say there's your.
yeah, I was going to say, I think this is, like, should be bounced. Yeah, there we go. I was going to say, I think this should be bounce territory. Like I said, if it doesn't bounce here, we kind of need to sell it below here, huh?
Pretty much.
I haven't traded that one account yet. What chart do I have on that account? RTY, and I'm not trading it right now.
All right.
Let's get a little bounce or something. You want to sell hook stochastics on a smaller time frame?
As in like now? You talking about on NQ?
Or ES?
Oh, I mean on the ES?
I'm gonna let ES.
Uh,
I like for it to get a little.
I'm a little higher, but I don't think you're going to get a little higher. Honestly. Yeah. I'm game with the hook of stochastics on the smaller.
Damn it. Missed the 6E short.
Oh, did it work out? I wasn't even looking at
Yeah.
it. Oh, yeah, it worked out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it
exactly
worked
what I
out.
wanted.
There's
I
your
wanted
hook
to
of
look at
stochastics.
I wanted to see that
Short
GC.
ES.
The MGC was a beautiful short.
Yep.
When did that happen? Right when we took a coffee break?
When we took a coffee break, yeah.
Yep. Damn it. Oh, that was one I wanted bad, too. Actually,
Up she goes.
I think I do have a little bit of a fever. My
Uh-oh,
face is,
that's not
is-
good.
face is burning a little bit.
That's not good. Well, I mean, think of it this way. You're out and about in what is right now tourist haven.
Oh, God, yeah. There's so many germs
I
coming
mean,
from everywhere.
germs everywhere coming from all over the country.
So many germs coming from all these.
Uh-huh.
I'm from Minnesota, and I brought my kids' germs with me. What you say, though? We're from Ontario. Stupid Canadians.
That's how you really feel.
Just kidding. That's jokes. It's jokes. I just kid. I like Canadians. Except for French Canadians. I'm not kidding about that. They are the rudest. Like, in general. They're not all rude, but they are, like, they come down here. They don't tip. They demand everything. They don't even ask. They're like, give me that. And they talk like people from South Park. They talk like how Donald Trump sounds on South Park. That's how they sound. French Canadians. And they wear the Speedos on the beach.
Ooh, that's a look.
French
It's a European
Canadians, man.
thing.
There's a lot of Europeans here too. They wear Speedos, but at least they don't sound like French Canadians. I'm trying to convince myself to pull that short now.
Too late now. You got your hook of stochastics on
Is it too late now?
I mean,
Is it? Is it really?
on the small chart, it's too late. I mean, the big chart, you're right at, I don't know.
Is it too late? I don't know either. Maybe it is. I don't know. Oy, oy, oy. Just wait for a better setup.
Yeah.
These days, man, these days are breakouts and no swings. Breakouts and no swings. Breakout and chop. Breakout and chop. We've seen a lot of that recently. Gotta be adaptable, I guess.
Yep. Tough.
I mean, that we can get breakout and chop like that. and still like use our levels to make good decisions on it. I think if it breaks here on a smaller tick chart, we could sell it. I really do. It's making a little structure.
You talking about the ES or the NQ?
Either.
NQ is looking. He was looking like
I mean,
it
if I say if is a big word.
If.
All right. Well, then look at it like this way. If it doesn't give us a good entry here below the low, we've got plenty of room to run. So we'll just wait for that. How about that?
Works for me.
All right, CL got ugly. GC, that really aggravated me. This set up a really fine setup on the small tick chart and the big tick chart. Both little, just perfect sets up. This is almost one of those ones that I've seen it. I might have done this in the minis because it just ran. It just took off.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Oh boy, what?
Just looking, not seeing anything that's. I think it's going to be like this till FOMC. I mean, to me, there's none of this I see is comfortable. I mean, I'll take a trade, I guess, but there's no.
I'm gonna step out at 11 and I'll be going
Go
for
get
like
that cable.
an hour. Well, we won't have anything from 1 till 2.
No, it's going to be pure. Yeah.
Well, let's hang around for a little bit longer this morning, and then I'll go at like 11:30,
I have a buy at
11:40.
15.
Huh?
I was looking at what Lulu wrote. She has a buy at 15. Okay.
It's about time you told us where your limit orders were. Jiminy Christmas!
What's wrong with you?
It only took forever, Lulu. I'm gonna have homeboy call you every day until you start doing that on a regular basis.
You spend just an extra hour with him.
Yes, 1 extra hour Lulu gets with
More than what you've done.
she goes, when is Paul scheduled to talk to me anytime soon? I was like, no.
Nope.
What is wrong with
Never.
you? Never again.
Paul will not be talking to them ever again.
That dude's got to pay me way
Now, if he
more
wants to
money
drop
than
me
he
about
wants to pay
20 grand, I'll talk to him. But other than that,
exactly
my
what I'm
lips are
saying.
sealed.
Like, I'll take Tom.
That's how much it would literally take for me to have a call. Give me 20 grand, I might consider having a call with you.
Peter,
And you're
what's
only
up
going to
this
get
morning,
15
bud?
minutes. That's it.
You guys catching some of these trades? Dan, some of the good ones we took? Gunter? Red Wine hadn't had anything on RTY yet. He hadn't had nothing on RTY yet. Lulu, I caught some. Jockap, Tom, Sten, you guys catch any of this stuff this morning? Gunter, yes. Okay, Tom, yeah. Good. All right, good job, guys. Yeah, I feel the same way, Lulu. I'm gonna chill with what my spoils of this morning until I see something a little bit more tasty. I had internet issues here. I'm just getting. Oh shoot! I need to rearrange my charts on my screen. I think I'm gonna try to set the streaming software up just to capture half of the big monitor.
Can you do that? Is it?
Tom said I could. Tom said I could. I don't think Tom H is the authority enough to tell me I can do it. He's like, sure, streaming software. Got it. No, I'm just kidding. Not really. I've met Tom. Both Toms. He said I could do it. I looked at it for a little while, and I just gave up. I was tired last night. That's another sign that I was probably getting a little,
Or sick.
yeah. Did I send you my new location on the map?
Uh-uh.
Oh, this is cool. Can't believe I haven't done that yet.
You did not.
There you go.
Let's see. Let's see.
You can show them
Where are you? Oh,
that little blue
there
dot.
you. Oh, wow. Very cool.
Can I get an upgrade?
Yeah, I say you definitely did, didn't you?
Can I get an upgrade? You guys want to see? You guys want to see? Anybody here want to see my new location on the map? I was trying to be like Stretch, man.
Stretch is living the life, isn't he? Living the dream.
32, look for longs. I don't think. If it's got to stay there, Stretch. I can't get off the short train until the short bus until I get a doctor's approval. What is Dan gonna say? Half a runner. We don't. It's like it's like horseshoes and hand grenades, Lulu. They don't count unless they're really there. It's not a half a run. It's called 5 points. All right, ES is trying to break down here. NQ should be following it here in a second.
Okay.
In a Speedo. I knew it
What's
was
this?
coming. Dan. Here you guys go. Look at my new location on the map.
Brian trades in a Speedo.
I'm looking straight south, straight across the Gulf at Stretch.
At Stretch. Him and Stretch are waving at each other.
Straight across the Gulf at Stretch. Is this a double bottom? Is this a double bottom, y'all? Sure
On
does
what?
look like on everything.
On ES?
ESNQ, RTY.
Yeah.
It's starting to
I guess.
look like that, doesn't it?
You say so. I think it's just a freaking,
Screw with you.
yeah.
Well,
NQ is,
That's
it
what I'm
might
trying
be.
to say. It
I mean,
suspiciously look like it, doesn't it?
tough long to take here, but very tough long to take.
Oh, really? Treasure Island? Lulu's long. Nice.
Lulu's long. Triple bottom caught it. Okay.
Does she works around here? I'm assuming then Stretch. If she works at one of the places, I'll go visit, like one of the restaurants or bars. I'll go visit. Oh, real estate. Okay, cool. Real stage. Real stage.
Real E-stage.
Real stage. It's not. I can't say something that came to mind that'd be funny, but. All right. Maybe it's not a double bottom. Maybe it's just congestion.
All right, that's what I was thinking.
I got curious. Do you talk to her? How's she do? Like real estate's kind of in a little bubble here. Is she doing okay with it? Like there's too many sellers and not enough buyers right now.
Everyone wants to get away from them taxes,
All the
and
real estate,
insurance.
all the real estate people I know on the prop management side with vacation. Oh, well, that's easy. Well, she's busy right now. Then, whew. She got to be real busy right now. It hasn't been this busy since like pre-COVID. Like that's how
The
busy
economy
it's
is crap.
gone. Nah, me neither. That's why I'm BSing with you, bro. That's why I'm BSing with you, bro.
Yeah, we're talking because I am not trying. I don't even have my hand on the mouse.
Oh, I keep, I do my little mouse circling through all the charts with the mouse, trying to see if I see something. Still eyeballing that GC, man. That we might get an MGC short on a smaller tick chart. I wouldn't be opposed to looking at this one. Right here. What do you think, Paul?
You're gonna put me on a spot.
GC swinging, bro.
What is that? A
I'm
500?
telling you,
What size
GC's
tick?
giving
What
us plenty
size
of
tick is
opportunity.
that?
Huh? 292.
Oh, that's a smaller tick chart. Okay, that's why I'm not seeing it.
Yeah. So I was trying to find a good like small one that was still big enough that didn't.
I mean, I don't like it on the big tick chart, but I mean, we could
There's a
try
level
it.
here. There's a level
Okay.
here.
Let's freaking do it.
If it sets up, we'll just keep our eye on it if it sets up. Well, we're back to selling this again. This is the third trip down for the ES, and like the seventh trip down for the NQ. So, if this breaks here, we got some trading to do, people.
There's your break coming up.
Didn't break yet.
No, it held it
Look,
again.
man, here's what we said. How many times have we said when we say something and we look at this low here and we say if it breaks, we said if it breaks that we should short it. Now, am I going to do it on the minis? No. Do it on micro. I feel
I'll do it
more
like
comfortable on the ES
6.
with the micro,
I'll do 6 micros on the ES.
and I'll do 6 micros on the MQ as well.
M&Q's just can't. I just can't push the button. No
But
way.
if the ES breaks, the MQ's the NQ's coming with it. That's all I'm saying, buddy. That's all I'm saying.
I'll jump on the ES with you
Okay,
if it breaks.
I'm gonna do it at the
I
market.
like.
I'm gonna do it at the market so the institutions don't see my order.
Because you know that's going to change everything. them 6 mini, them 6 micros, boy, they're going to be like, oh shit, Brian's trading 6 micros.
Hey, by the way, Stretch, I got somebody wanting to rent some stuff, like vacation Airbnb stuff. I don't know. I'd be happy to refer people to her if she does that kind of stuff. She gets referrals, or she might just be the company might just provide everything. I don't know.
Oh boy.
I know some people here. She probably knows a bunch of people I know too. Come on, GC. Referrals are saying, oh yeah, so they have some kind of marketing pipeline then. Good. That's a good job for her then. That's awesome. That's a great job down here. I'm gonna start asking every every female, is your dad stretch? Is your dad stretch?
Everybody that looks like they're in
You're in
property
real estate, is
management.
your dad stretch? Who's stretch? I do know his actual real name though. Oh
I don't.
man, this is getting like it's getting to where you're like, this is going to break.
Sure looking like it wants to.
Why does it keep doing that? I gotta get used to the setup here. Got my feet kicked up on my footrest. Command center. Feel like a big boy now. That is a sick monitor though, isn't it?
It is. That's pretty impressive. I like that. I would love to have
You
a
know,
couple of those.
I never thought I'd get into this. I couldn't do a flat monitor this big. But the curved
It
is
is nice.
the curved is yeah. I'd like to have one that goes like a 180,
All the way.
like a 180.
Like like a half circle like thing.
Yeah.
That would be
What
kind of
I
cool.
really want to get like another one of these and put them on top of each other, and that'd be
Yeah, if you had two of those on top of each other, you're done.
You don't need
That's a
anything
nice
else. Nothing.
that's a nice setup because they're so wide. You can get so many charts in them.
You and your primitive
done,
flat
still seeing-
monitors.
Yeah, well,
Your
I'm old school.
primitive flat monitor.
I'm old school.
Caveman.
Hey, but mine were free.
It's true.
I
Straight
got
from
mine
the
from
gym.
the I got mine from the
Straight
gym.
from
Well,
the
I guess they
gym.
weren't free. I still paid for them. I just
Well, your company
the
paid for them.
company paid for them.
Company paid for them. They're free to Paul Serrata.
Yeah, they're not
Serrate.
they're not free to me. They're not free to you first though.
No. But tax deductible.
Yeah, these things have been they've been so written off. It's
You have one of your
ridiculous.
screens vertical? Yeah, I was thinking about that. And I couldn't like wrap my brain around the vertical.
Yeah, I used to have it set up like that. I used to have the two. I'd have the four in the middle, and then the two on the outside were vertical.
Really?
And it was it was cool.
Take
It
a
was
picture,
it was
Stretch.
pretty
I
good-
want to see it. I want to see it. I'll
Well,
take a
he
look
has
at
his
it.
vertical.
Yeah, I want to see. Take a picture of it.
Yeah, it's so funny you say that because I was actually last night was looking at my setup after Brian sent me that picture. I'm thinking maybe I'll go back to that vertical setup. It's just a pain in the ass with all
I'll
these
send you.
monitors.
Here you guys go. I'll do a little picture here. Wait. Dude, Christmas, that thing's huge. Okay, go backwards. Can't even get it all in. That's what she said. Did you hear what I said under my breath?
What'd you say?
Nothing. I said, Jilly, Christmas, that thing's huge. Lulu, that's where you chime in.
Surprisingly, we didn't say anything.
Oh, no. Here you go. Thing's big. Now I got a couple other monitors here on the left side, but my main
Give me a
stuff-
second. Let me answer this. My daughter.
Hey, speaking of daughters, permissions. You will in a second. Let me see. I don't know how to find permissions. Let's see here. Profile. I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use Discord well enough to. Why don't we have permissions to post pictures in here? Drip bottom, remove there he is. I was thinking the bottom was there, but it's got to go above this swing high here. Stretch. Or off. That later. Send it to the email. I do want to see your setup. I'm gonna ask Paul about that before I do something stupid. All right, you're right. Do we do the breakout long? Oof. Oof. We got the short on the breakout. I'm afraid to do the long on the breakout. This is the area though. This is the area I had earlier, 34. And after all that time at the bottom there, it's kind of hard to short it.
Man, step away for a call and it takes off. Did you get any of it?
No. Because I was afraid to take it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a cool setup you got going on there. That's a nice curve, man. God, you made me want one now. I want it.
Did you take the breakout? Stretch took the breakout. Did you take it? Trying to decide if I want to short this or not.
In a shortened area.
I know it came right up to my level. A little bit overshot it just a little bit. Just waiting on the pullback for the long. Okay. I think I need to switch this account. Yes. Yep, sir. I do need to switch that account. Do that one. And let's try to get.
Wall this thing all the way back.
I
Look at
thought
that.
about short. Yeah, I was like, man, do we think about shorting that? This would be stretch looking for the long from here. I don't think that's a bad idea. Micros. Do it micros. I don't think I have this one on the account on trade either. Let's see here. Oh, that on a different account.
I know that this is the long area here.
I know. I'm trying to get my.
Well, maybe so. Now it's starting to set up. Looks like it. Now
Yeah,
it's setting up.
I think. Yeah, I'm trying to get this
Yep.
freaking on the account I wanted on. Oh gosh.
Ah, damn it. I couldn't switch it over quick enough either. That was it.
Let's see.
Crapola. Way to go, Paul.
We'll see.
Oh, I should freaking. And Q might give us another shot here. Nah,
Nah.
it's gone. No, I mean, I was thinking about if it came back down, taking it, but nah. If it comes back down, it's
Yeah,
going
I
to be a
think we
failed
missed
long.
that. I think
Yeah,
we
it comes back
missed
down,
that.
it's a failed long. So you're either in this long or
Well, you're not.
you're not. You're not. One or the other.
Well, I did
There
it.
it goes.
Target off.
I could
Now
not
where do
chase
we
it.
target on the top side? Let's squeeze this stop up a little bit. Target off.
Oh.
Okay, wait, hold on a second. Top side target back up here, maybe 43. What do you get? Wait, let's see what do you have, Stretch?
40. Got the opening range
I
of
mean, you get
41.
the
So, yeah.
swing high here. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a little bit more juice than that, I think. 43, yeah, that's what I was looking at. 43. I'm gonna do 42 even, right dead square in the middle. Well, 43.25 gives me an official runner, and that way I can go na boo boo to Lulu. So I'm gonna shoot for the runner. I'm gonna go up 2 more ticks. Let's say 34 on the stop. Might get another chance at the 6E short. GC's calmed down some, so I'll throw this chart over here. Yeah, CL and RTY. Let's go over there.
Damn it.
Oh, do we want to go a little bit higher than that? I don't know. 43. 43. I'm gonna bring the stop up to. Let's see. There's something back here. Let's use this wick right here. Let's go. 35.75. Maybe it should be a little bit tighter than that. Your target's pretty good there, Stretch. Go. Come on. Go back up. Keep going. Give me my target. I mean, if you're going to do that, you might as well target this level up here, too. Let's see. Could I need to, like, track some of these trades, maybe? Oh, man. Should I target higher? Yes or no? Oh, we got a new stop. I know that.
Looks like it wants to creep up. Come on. Push.
Are you in it?
I'm not. I'm watching you.
Go get it. Go get my
I'm
target.
watching you.
Oh, man. 1 tick away.
I'm rooting you on.
Oh, I'm one tick off.
This is where I have the area to turn.
1 tick. Tick.
If it breaks this, though, NQ's going to run up to 980-ish. If it breaks up through, well, it's got to through that 940. NQ can get up to 940 probably. That's a pretty safe bet.
Go get my target. Twice? You're going to 1 tick me? Would you say? 940?
I'm saying
yeah.
NQ can get up to 940.
Aw, shoot.
Next stop after that, pivot.
Did get a runner. I'm going to tighten this up. It's going to come back down and get me.
Yeah, that's a sell signal.
Yeah. Whatever.
That's a seller. That's a seller.
Whatevs. It's a good trade. Good call, Stretch. Dang, 1 tick off my freaking target. 42 even. Stretch is probably still in it. I feel like I should make some shorts. I know we keep. Ugh. Are you still in it, Stretch? I knew he was.
Oh. What's the look like? I'm just looking at my charts here to see where this might go. I like the pullback here to go long. Again, if you're not already in it. I think we get a little.
Well, the pullback. We just had the pullback to go long.
I know, but I think you're still good though on the NQ. I don't know about the ES. I'm not looking at the ES right now. I think this is just a little hiccup on its way up to 940 in the pivot.
I might have might have. Which one did I want to do this on?
Right here.
I'm pretty green, man. I don't know if I have really an account that I got one little account here I need to.
I still got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 more I can trade that I need to trade. Save 1 for FOMC.
I'm good. I'm really good. Oh, I forgot to tell you something yesterday that you would be
What's that?
extremely excited about.
What's that? You hear me?
Yeah.
Mom? Okay.
Tom just sent a message back, and I don't even understand. I don't understand his reply to my message. That's how bad we communicate. I really don't. Like, I'm not kidding with you. Like, how we the same way I always do. That doesn't make sense to me.
What's the reply? Send him a picture. Send him that picture so he can see it. I don't think he understands what you're. It's easier if you have a picture, I think. What is this? 913, 913, 24, 913.
Why the? I'm sitting here sending messages on my phone when I could just be typing into the
Into your computer.
stupid Brian.
Nothing.
Nope. You thinking about getting flat yet, Stretch? There's your big news. I'm excited.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. He finally
Super
made it.
cool.
He finally made it.
He retiring now?
Close enough
Is
to
that
it.
what that is?
Close enough to it that he can hang out with us all day.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
That's always awesome.
That is fun. We can tell these guys. Can't we?
Boss. I want to see why not.
Who is here? Yeah,
Everybody here, I think, knows.
Yeah. Hey, guys, guess what? We're getting Boss Hog back April 1st. No? Nobody's excited about that?
I mean, everybody here should know Wilbur, right?
Yeah, they know, yeah. They have to.
Dude, yeah, everybody in this room should know.
Yeah, Dan said.
Should know who he is.
Yeah. I just like having him on a mic with me because
Yeah, he's cool.
Not that Paul's not funny, but Wilbur's funny.
No, I definitely don't hold a candle to Wilbur.
No, he's funny.
That's one funny dude right there. I can't.
Wilbur's.
I'm not quite as good. I'm not quite as good the sidekick.
Well, no, it'll be this way I envision it. Like work him into with us, and he's there for the color commentary.
That's right. And he can tell stories every now and then.
Every now and then.
Or pretty much every day. Oh.
That'll liven us up a little bit, won't it?
Oh yeah.
GC's not making it easy anymore. I
No,
thought we were going to get
GC's.
another swing on. If we get a swing back
I
up
don't.
here on CL, I'd look at that again. Red wine. You
CL's
can start looking at RTY short at red wine. RTY short, red wine, red wine, red wine.
red wine.
Let's give him like a
Got an NQ short
I
also.
think like a red wine.
32, set.
That's for you, red wine. When you hear that, get ready.
32.
Nobody else.
Yeah.
Nobody else thinks.
Short
Paul wants
NQ.
Duke's Hazard. That's so true. Dude. Them Duke boys, they sure got in a pickle this time. Them Duke boys, they sure
That's
got
so
in a pickle
true.
this time.
Yeah. He definitely would. He definitely does sound like he's from Hazard County.
He might be. He's,
Hazard County, Georgia.
oh man.
I think we all kind of sound like we're from somewhere around there.
I'm probably worse than most of you. Your accent's
Yeah.
not that bad. And I can turn mine off from time to time, but I really
I
don't
can
care.
too. I can turn
care.
it on and off. Sometimes
on
it
if
depends
I'm
on who I'm
trying to-
around.
Yeah, it depends on if I'm trying to impress a girl or not. Hey girl,
Yeah,
you want to hear the country accent?
Yeah, if I'm with a bunch
got
of if I'm
four-wheel
with the
drive.
boys out riding with a bunch of country boys in the mountains, I get country. If I'm hanging out, if somebody's not like that, I can change my voice around and
Hey,
there's the short on the NQ. It's a nice little setup. Didn't catch it on the way up,
there's a
but
big
I'm gonna
tick
catch it
chart.
on the
There
way
was a
down.
big tick chart setup, wasn't there?
I said it earlier. I said it's setting up.
Oh damn!
You were telling stories.
Oh, well, I was excited about Boss Hog, man.
Yeah, no, and that's
And
actually
and again, I am plenty green, so I'm not like trying to. Actually, I'm trying to cherry pick. That's the point I'm trying. That's what I meant to say. That should have been a cherry pick, though. That was a good setup for NQ. That is what I would call probably an A+ setup on the NQ. Big tick chart, not the smaller one. Wouldn't you say?
I think so.
Yeah. Sorry, you should yell at me a little bit on that one. My
That was a
PL
nice,
my
clean
PL
setup
hurts
on that.
one. Yeah, that was a good one.
Now just keep running. Now retrace that whole move up and make me
Hey,
happy. So
well, I got
I
the
won't feel
long-
so bad I missed that move
I
now.
was gonna say I got the long, you get the short.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll both between the two
We
of us
split
we'll get the long and
profits.
short of it.
We split we got the long and short of it. Come on, keep on coming. Keep on keeping on. Let's go.
Yeah, I think you got more than 20. If it breaks us low here, guys,
I mean, this
you've got
is an area where it should
you got
bounce.
back.
It should
it's
bounce here.
just, yeah, I mean, I don't think you're gonna get 27. I think you got here around 30, 27, or really 26. Yeah, maybe 20. 26 would be the next stop. So close enough. There you go. Now you've got 26.
Yeah.
And you've got
Keep going.
852, which is what I said
Keep
earlier,
it going.
850. Yeah, you guys got some good stuff in this.
All right. Big money. Come on. Keep going. All right, I think this might be hitting its end here. I want to tighten this up. I definitely don't want to give any of this back. Yep. Flat. All right, well, that worked.
Define worked.
Pretty darn good short. Worked pretty well. Did oh, look at that bounce back up.
Yeah, it's another long, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Would have been a hard one to take because I was in a short, but yeah, it's definitely long.
Um. All right. Let's call it until
One.
until I get back from the store.
I mean, honestly, I mean, if we're gonna break any longer than 12:30, we might as well come back before FOMC because between 1 and 2, I can't imagine anything's gonna happen.
I don't think so.
Yeah, why don't we just break and come back at 2?
Well, I'll when I get back from the store, I'll just message you and let's just keep an eye on the market then.
Okay.
Because
All
I
right.
mean, you would have thought that it would have been not uneventful this morning,
No, it's been pretty decent. I mean, it's
so
a
it
little
might
sucky in the
stay that
morning.
way.
I mean, you're
Between
getting some
1 and 2,
pretty
probably
big
not.
swings.
Well, it's only gonna take me
No,
like 30 minutes,
no, we'll just check back. We'll jump on if we have to.
maybe an hour. All right.
All right, but just put the sign up, and or you want to close the room or leave it open?
No, leave it open. I'll just. Here we go. We'll leave
All
the
right.
light on for you.
Tom Bodette.
I'm Tom Bodette. We'll leave the light on for you.
Later.
Later, taters. And those of you on the interwebs, come back and see us. Those of you on the YouTubes, come back and see us. 7-day free trial. 2 normal dues trading. There's a link below, I believe, for it. I don't know how to. We don't have. We need. Oh shoot.